forest even. I don't like doing that to my brakes because you can imagine your brakes are probably 600 degrees after coming down those inclines.
Cannot find path. Starting point is isolated.
And then you've whacked your cannot find path, that's a good sign. And then you've whacked them into water that's probably 3-4 degrees, I don't know, maybe up here in Lithgow it'd be cold, wouldn't it? So probably wouldn't do your discs any good, but I did stop for about 5 minutes. So, but yeah, I'm trying to get out the way I came now.